chain just came in. I'm going to do a quick video on how to take apart and put together a master link. Master link is just how it says, the master links. It's the one that going to look like that. And what that's designed to do is open and close the chain. So if you have to get around something or a small area. So all I got here is just a cheap pair of needle nose pliers. And all I'm going to do is grab that back side one and the front of this one and kind of pinch it. These come with a new, there it goes. And that just slides out there. But they come with oil and stuff on them. There we go. Alright, so that's what it should look like. And then you just slide this one out. And that whole assembly will come off. And then you loop it through where you need to. Reverse the process. You just put these two together. And put this end cap on. The same way you saw me do it. Put it through here and just push down, biting here and here, and it'll squeeze it together. That's about it. It's pretty simple, but if you've never done it before, it can be a little irritating. You can also shorten these. Once you pull out that master link, that's the master link there, you get the size you need. And let's say I need this little tiny area, you just cut that notch off, making sure you have this ball here, and you can go all the way through. So you just grind that tip off, use a punch, send it through, keep that roller, and you just put it all back together.